Kublai phi baro gini gilongi khubor bamtagasngi. Menteri ke PWD Roads ubadai ru sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela uba Preston Tynsong. Menta kasngi ula pensyai halor ke jing keno jengi kontraktor hapo ke Jela ki baong. Bakim long shu ki bayo work tender nama babun ki project la Aisha ki company he. Habakran syikilat pathai khubor. Tynsong ula ong baki project ki belawan ra ha gini gisnem. Kamtam gitu ki badai na ka fund jang ka sorkar pdeng kyndon ki kyndon ki basyai bajur baha banbun. La pensyai bagi kam shna surak bagi kam sandur ki bahe apo ki skim jang ka sorkar pdeng kiri banbud ki standard bat ki kyndon ki belabu ki babun sin ki mla ban biang de ki contractor rin. Ki package ki long ki bahe bha bagi dawai ka technical capacity ka jing klan ha ka pisa bar ka jing jia ka bladem omdai bangi shim ting ya ki contractor jela hnrei ki kyndon ka sorkar pdeng ki kerpat ban shim de ki company ki bakham he ong Tynsong. Ulong shu baka sorkar jela kamla ban pharia ne penkha shu ye ki package jong ka sorkar pdeng tang ban pensuk ye ki contractor rin namar kata kan long ka jing penkhen ye ki kyndon jong ka fan. Hendrei habakta shu ki project ki badai na ka pisa sorkar jela menteri ulong baki contractor jela kidang yo jing shania. Haba ka pisa ka dei ka jela ngipen ye kalat shu ki contractor jela. Hendrei ki badai na ka sorkar pdeng ki ki project he bat omla ban penkala ye ki kyndon ulong. Tynsong ula kentho bakane ka jing kala shu ki company he kala ban wan ra jing e haga kamai ka ji jong ki contractor rin hendrei ulong ru baka sorkar ka ban bod ya ka policy jong kari. Ngi sngo thu ki jing e jong ki hendrei kum ka sorkar ngi haban bod ki kyndon balabu ngi kenturu ki contractor bakin persyang ban kentiu ya ka sap bar ka bor jong ki ban yakun haga ban sawan ula benra.
Well, that in Meghalaya, the most challenging issue for us is what? Land issue. And the land issue, I'm telling you, sometimes it happened, it prolonged more than 10 years, 15 years. Sometimes landowners themselves, they are not willing to part the land. So we really have these challenges. Therefore, as I said to you, before the DPR is prepared, before the DPR is ultimately take off, land issue has to be resolved. That's why we have already constituted a committee in each and every district where the DC themselves are the chairman of the committee, and we made sure that in this district committee all the stakeholders like different department as well as the Rangba Ashnong, the Senjuk Rangba Ashnong, this aim or the be part of this committee, and then they will also take it up and resolve the issue.
Why do you include the State Pollution Control Board also in this committee?
Sorry?
State Pollution Control
They
Board.
are there. They are part of it. They are part of it. Even the pollution control, all the stakeholders, they are there.
With regards to a